So hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art, and today we are going to do character faces. So first circle, and then I'll add something with this. Maybe this shape, that is a rectangle. Okay, and now I'll put my character in the center line like this, and this is the eye line. Okay, so here I'll put the ear like this, and here I'll put the nose. So here I'm putting the eyes like this. Okay, so this is the first character which I have designed out of two shapes. One is circle, another one is rectangle like this. Okay, so this you can use and design your character. Okay, circle plus rectangle or square, whatever you want to say, you can say. Next one I'll design again with circle. Okay, and then another circle. Okay, two circles. So now I'll draw the center line first like this, and then I'll do the eye line maybe over here. So this is another character out of circle and another circle, two circles. So it depends how you're placing the circles. This may be like this or somewhat small, it depends. So next I'll design another character. This is the circle, and then So this is, circle is there, and this is triangle. You can say triangle. Okay, circle and triangle. And finally, I'll design a character with rectangle. This is only rectangle, but I have turned the lines to a curve like this. Okay, first I'll draw the center line and then the eye line, and from here I'll design the nose like this, and then the eyebrows like this, and the eyes. Here the ear maybe like this, the mouth, and here I'll design the hairs like this. While designing the hairs, I need to think a bit, because I'm always confused with the hairs, which type of hair this character will look nice. This is what I need to think, like this maybe, do the shading. Here only the rectangle shape is there, and out of which I have designed this face. Okay, so you need to concentrate on shapes and how to mix it and create your own character. That you need to find out. This is only a motivation for you all. So like, see here, two circles are there. First I need to draw the center line like this. Okay, and then you have to place the eyes, nose, everything. Okay, so in my previous video I had shown you the exercise you need to do every day, that you need to do, and then only you can design your character like this. Okay, and this is also, here circle is there, so the line will be here like this. Okay, and after reaching to this line, this point, it will be like this. Okay, here also circle is there, the center line will be like this, and then from here it will be like this. See, here only straight line and eye line like this. Okay, so you need to practice these shapes together and create your own character. I hope you have understood the video. In my next video I'll do some more characters out of shapes, and you need to follow those. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.